Yeah. I'm coming. Hello, it's John Neal here. It's Wednesday, the 8th of April, 2026. And that shot coming into Hartshill Hayes Park, which is one I wanted to do a couple of weeks ago, and I forgot the drone of all the silly things. But today, it's all working out more or less okay. Because look, bluebells, beautiful. Let's have a closer look.
Well, it had to happen. It was drone versus Hollybush. Who was going to win? Yep, it was the drone. Victorious. The path in the woods now goes over a small stream. Perfect place to do spotlight again. Yep, waving your arms makes the drone go away, sit it in position, and then just ride past. Well, that's enough of flying from behind. Let me get the drone in front of me now. So I stop, and by magic, you put your hand out, pull it round to the front, and the Neo 2 sits there, and we carry on, this time following me from the front, if that makes sense. glide by with the spotlight function.
Well, what a treat this is. In some ways all the planets have come together, almost. One, it's a nice day, clear blue sky, no wind, there is no wind. The sun's out, it's warm. I've just got this on, I haven't got my fluorescent on either. I'll put my scarf on just in case, but I need to take that off. And the bluebells are out. It's April and the bluebells are out in Hartshill Hayes. Got to be some of the best bluebells in this area, to be honest. And England is the best place. If you're watching this from abroad anywhere, England has a large majority, maybe I'll put it on screen, has a large majority of wild bluebells in the whole of Europe, if not in the world. So it's beautiful. And there's some blossom over there. And yeah, very, very nice indeed. And I've had great fun with Neo too, coming down this way. I don't come down this way into the wood often. Used to live maybe 300-400 yards over there in Charnwood Drive, looking straight onto the wood. It was a wonderful time. We had the kids were little. We left there when John was about 10. So they used to come over this way and play in the woods. It was just idyllic. It really, really was fantastic. So many fond memories of being down here, but I haven't been down here of late. So this is a bit of a treat for me too. And I'm going to do a sort of a bit of a shortcut back home. I just realised I could go across the Manchester Road, over the back of the waterworks, and then half towards Caldicot. It was a road I went on last year, I think, and it's been quite dry for a little while now, so it won't be muddy. It's basically a farm track. But look at this, isn't it gorgeous? And listen, even though it's still holiday time, there were some kiddies out, which you might have just seen, enjoying the countryside and the wood here. Absolutely wonderful. But back in the day, we used to hear cuckoos across here, flying across. And nowadays, of course, you'll also see, as I've shown in recent videos, red kites and certainly buzzards, kestrels as well. So it's wonderful to see all those species back with us again. I'd like to stay here longer, but I promise I want to go over that way. I've got to try and get out of the wood now. Year on year it overgrows a lot, but I think what I will do first, it's fairly open here, and I'll put the other drone up, my Mini 3. We'll have a look around from above. Should we do that?
Well, we'll give it a try. You know how I said that I thought the planets were aligned and everything was working, like that sort of tosh? Well, took the drone up and I've only just replaced it with a brand new one. And yeah, those winter twigs, I just went straight up into some twigs and the drone crashed down from about 10 meters. You can see the gimbal's completely shot. Anyway, you know, if you're like me, you want to see the footage. Well, there goes. As you can see, it's quite open. And what could be worse than the sound of those propellers clattering against the twigs and the motors whirring feverishly to try and gain control, and then the whole lot just smashing to the ground.
Oh dear. Straight up into the tree. And it came down, fell from the sky about 10-12 meters straight onto a hard path. Smashed everything, more or less. Oh. I was saying yes, all the planets are aligned today because it's sunny, it's nice, but I've got this, I'm just getting over a cold, and if I'm under the weather, oddly enough, it goes straight to my back. I'm not quite sure why this is. and now I've smashed my drone the second time basically within a month, and haven't done it for about the last 3 years. Do you want to see it? Oh goodness gracious. I'm ashamed, actually. I'm ashamed to have done it. Put this around. I've broken the prop. One arm's good. That one's good. Actually, I've broken that prop, and this front end's come off. The gimbal's completely shot. I mean, it might be repairable, I don't know. But look. And this. What a muppet. But you know, these things happen. I'll put it down to me having a bit of a cold and not concentrating enough. That was going to be so good as well. And I was torn between watching the screen and watching it go up. Oh. That's my excuse. Oh dear. Oh well. At least I've got the Neo 2 to play with. Right. Oh, that was bad. Bad. Let's gather ourselves together. Focus. And then cry. No, and then move on. I am. I've crossed over the Manchester Road and made my way along Leather Mill Lane and then turned right onto this farm track, which is brilliant because there's no trees, there's no traffic. I can let the little Neo 2 do all its stuff. let me quickly explain what's gone on. I took my jumper off and then had to take the high-vis jacket off and drop my microphone somewhere. No idea where it is. Well, that's it. The jumper's come off as well now. Nice and warm. I've reached the road over near Caldicot, and I think I might try and get across the fields, and that is this way. Yes, there's no traffic, and the ground's quite dry. If it had been wet, it would have been a real pain, but we've had enough dry weather like today to mean that it's quite firm under wheel. I nearly said underfoot, but I meant under wheel. Been this way many times walking, and not always on my bike, but there's an entrance to a quite a nice house here. So thank you very much for watching, and yeah, been quite an adventure this morning, and let's get back, get it all sorted out, and let you see what we've got, including the crash. Oh dear, damn. Anyway, thanks for watching, and you'll see me next time. Okay, bye bye.